It's your girl Slay LT, and thanks for stopping by. Welcome to my channel. And this is going to be the BooHoo haul. This is the second one. As promised, I'm going to show you guys the pieces that I have out of the bag. I'm going to talk about it a little bit, but I will have a third video where I come back and I actually explain the fabric, the pricing, the shipment, if there were any problems, those sort of things. If I have any questions that I might have from this video, I'll go ahead and give it in my next video, explain everything, and let's just get right into it. So the first thing I got from BooHoo, I was kind of leery about buying this because I never had the new square toe. Actually, I had those like some years ago, but the toe was kind of slanted a little bit. This one is a strict square toe heel. These are so cute, y'all, and they fit real good. Now, my only concern about these shoes is, I don't know if you guys can see that, but you see how this material is? It's like that patent leather type material. I feel like if I'm walking in these heels and I'm sweating, my feet is gonna like slide to the end. Hopefully that's not the case. If it does, what I plan on doing is I plan on getting some, I don't know if you guys have ever seen it, but they have like those slip controls that you can put like in your shoe. So I'll get something like to put on the top of it here so it doesn't slip. I just thought these were super cute, and the heel isn't that long. Since I've gained weight, not started because I'm actually on the downside, I'm losing now, but since I've gained weight, one thing that I have learned is wearing heels is horror. It's bad on my back. I don't know if you guys have the same experience, but that's just what I'm going through right now. But still love my heels though, and they actually came with some extra soles for your heel. So I thought that was thoughtful. But these are actually super cute, and they're comfortable looking. I mean, well, the heel part is comfortable. I won't say comfortable looking, they're comfortable in that top part. The next one, this is actually a dress that I have, a maxi. And these, the dresses that I have, the maxis that I have, these were actually $8. Now, I was kind of funny about buying these for $8 because we all know some maxis that are that cheap, they sheer. And as you can see, this is very sheer. So what I plan on doing with this is I'm going to wear this, but I'm probably more than likely, I don't know if you guys have ever considered this, but I'm probably going to wear like some type of long slip. I don't know, but I'm not going to let this go to waste. I thought it was super cute. But again, this one, out of all of the clothes that I've gotten so far, I'm not going to put a thumbs down on it. I'll go sideways because I haven't tried it on yet. But more than likely, it's going to show everything. But, I mean, it's a maxi dress, so. And it actually, one thing that I did like about it, it actually goes all the way down to the floor. It's past my feet. So I'm pretty sure once it gets on my body, and of course, the circumference of my hips, it will definitely have it lifting off the floor. So that's a good thing. But the sheerness, that's going to be a no for me. I don't like showing my fun bags to everybody, so. The next one is another maxi. This one is a mustard yellow, and same thing. As you can see definitely all the way through it, and it hits the floor. Same thing, it's just a different color. Same size and everything, but we're going to try to work with those and see what we come up with. Now this one, and again, these are all from BooHoo, or BooHoo, or BooHoo. I think it's pronounced BooHoo though. This one is actually cute, but another thing, sheer. So I don't know how this is going to work out. And it's like a lighter color for my skin, but I don't know how this is going to work out. But this actually comes off the shoulder. So I thought this was cute on the girl, but I don't know how it's gonna look on me. We'll see. This would be almost like a nightgown. It's kind of, with those maxis, it's kind of hit or miss, because if you get some fabric that's thick, if you get the thick fabric, your fit, like it's gonna be kind of tight on your body where you're almost gonna have to squeeze into it. But if you get this type of material, it fits, but then you can see through it. So I don't know, but yeah, that's where we are with that. Yeah. All right, and the next thing that I got from BooHoo was this dress. Wish I hadn't even opened this yet. Thought it was super cute though. This would probably be something that I wear like if I go on a beach trip, because actually this is pretty cute and the material is real nice. So this wraps around. It actually wraps around and it kind of gives you like that little peekaboo fit, and then it kind of like shared. This is actually pretty cute. I didn't know this was that cute. I love the material. Okay. But this is definitely something you would wear like if you're going out with your boo with some nice, actually this would go good with those heels that I bought from BooHoo too. So, and these I can fit right now. This I bought in a size, this is actually a 14. But see, because the material is so wide, it doesn't look like a 14. It kind of looks like maybe like a 18. But I can actually wear this right now. This is cute. I didn't even know that. I looked up on that. Didn't even realize how cute it was. Okay, for the next piece, which I thought was super cute, and I'm one of those weird people that loves to wear long sleeves in the summertime with some shorts. Well, actually not with some shorts, with some capris or with some, these would actually be cute with some jeans. So I just thought this was super cute. It's like that, it's like a silky type material, but it also gives me that, oh, what do I want to say? It is satin, but it's almost like, how should I describe it? It's almost like this material, that dress that I just showed, but it's real cute. And actually I can wear this now. Now the sleeves, they will probably be a little snug, but I just love this shirt. I love it, I love it, I love it. Beautiful. Y'all, my throat is getting better. When I put you guys on hold, I actually drank some cold water. I don't know if that made a difference, but it's not as scratchy and good as it was. But oh my God, I'll be so glad when this pollen is done, because I'm tired of coughing and sneezing all night. This is the next piece. This is actually a jumper that I thought was so cute. Now, one thing about this jumper too, sheer. So now with this, I could probably get away with this wearing some thongs. It's like a little sports jumper. Nothing, you know, nothing too over the top, but, and it actually, at first I thought it had like a capri look to it, but it actually reaches the bottom of my feet. I'm short anyway. I'm only 5'4", so it works. And the next piece, which I thought was super cute, and I can also wear this with a blazer during the winter time, is this jumper. Now this jumper is so cute to me. I don't know why. I love black and white, but it's cute, and it's kind of like a wide leg effect at the bottom. If you guys can see that. But it's super cute. And this is actually, this is a 14 too, but it stretches. So probably won't be able to wear it right now, but maybe in the next few months I will be able to wear it. And it also comes with a belt. So Definitely looking forward to that. Okay. And the next piece, I'm just throwing the trash away as I go. Definitely had to get a Bob Marley shirt. I love Bob Marley. And this one was, this is actually licensed too. This is a size 18. So I can wear this now with some jeans, possibly some wedges. I have a lot of wedge sneakers, so that would be cute with that. And last but not least, no wardrobe, especially a sport type wardrobe, is not complete without Tupac. And Biggie, of course, but I love Tupac. So, and I can wear this now. It's probably going to be a little snug, but I can definitely wear it. So, that is the end of the BooHoo haul. I thank you guys for sticking around with me this long. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that bell. Subscribe. Like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Stop being stingy, y'all. Guess how much it costs? $0. Share with your friends. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on my weight loss journey. Follow me on my videos. Slay LT. I also have another channel, but I'll put that information down at the bottom. What else did I want to say? I hope you guys are having an awesome day. In the next video, I'm going to come back, like I said, and promise. I'm going to tell you guys more about the fabrics and how it fit. I'll probably try on a few outfits as well to show you guys. And I think that's about it. I'm happy with the pieces. The only pieces that I'm kind of leery about are those sheer maxi pieces, but pretty much everything else I can see myself wearing. So I didn't have to do any returns or anything. So hopefully in a few more months, you guys will see me shrink down a little bit more. And believe it or not, even though I was 280 something pounds a couple of months ago, and I was like, oh my God, even though I don't look like it, the way my body's designed, or should I say the way my body is shaped, it didn't appear that I was that big, but I knew because of the way that, you know, my body was reacting to me getting up, me walking around, being out of breath. Even now, just doing this video, I'm just standing up here. I still have a long way to go, but it's like, I'm just excited and I'm happy as to what I've accomplished so far. Losing weight is not easy. It's very, very hard. You definitely have to be disciplined. But again, that's for another video. I'm just excited, y'all. I'm excited about life, what's to come, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm going to come back and do some makeup videos for you guys, but, you know, I'm looking forward to it. These are some of my first videos on this channel, so I'm just happy and excited. And if you haven't already, like I said, go ahead and join the family, and look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Hope you guys love this video. If you did, go ahead and like again, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.